Hello Messy Churches. Today's activity for our Messy Church Harvest is making a little moving tractor, which will look at something like this when it's finished. Hopefully yours will be lovely coloured in as well. So let me just show you, hopefully this will work. I'm just going to wind it up. Keep going. And hopefully this will work. Oh! And as you can see, it moves along. Sometimes it goes in circles and sometimes it doesn't. And it's quite fun. There we go. Okay, so that's the little tractor. As you can see, it's made with a cotton reel and a little bit of card and some sticks, and it's got an elastic band in there and some tape. So you should have most of what you need in your pack. You should have a cotton reel, a little tractor motif there, which you can colour in, an elastic band, a metal hook, a tiny piece of stick and a big bit of stick, and a button. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the elastic band and wind it around 2 fingers twice so that it looks a bit like that. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have the button in your other hand, pass the I'm left-handed, so excuse me, pass your metal through the button, so you've got your button on there, you've got your hook here. So then you're going to use the hook end to pull 2 bits of the elastic band through the button, so that it's like that. Okay, keep hold of the elastic both ends. So then when you've done that, you're going to pass this threading hook through your cotton reel. Keep hold of your elastic band. Okay, and the button will stop it from pulling through. So have I missed something? Let's see. Okay, so we can take the long bit of stick and put it through the loops of the elastic band here, and that'll stop that pulling right through, and then you'll have that like that. And then if you pull this bit through, you can then use your little bit of stick at the other end so that you've got it at that end. I hope that was clear. And then you can take the wire off because you don't need that anymore. And that's how you do it. So I hope that was quite clear. And of course you're wondering what to do with your tractor. So colour in your tractor, and then you can just slide it through here like this. And it's quite a good idea to put some tape on this end. Put some tape over there, and also put some tape over this end as well, and then it won't all fall apart. And that's it, done. So we can try it out, although it might fall apart because I haven't taped it. Let's see. No, wind it up and oh, that's why you need a tape. If you don't put the tape on, it's just going to wind round and round as you do it. So put some tape on, and then it won't happen, and you'll have it like this. Yay! Okay. We all know that tractors are used by farmers to help move things around the farm. They're used to prepare the ground for planting and harvesting the crops when they're ready. In Jesus' time, they would have done it all by hand, as there were no tractors then. This meant that when they harvested, some of the grain was left behind, and they let the poorer people collect any that was left. It was called gleaning. So the people used to go behind after everybody else had finished harvesting the crop and just pick up any bits of grain that were left, and they'd take those home and use them to make their own bread or whatever with. It was a really good way of sharing, and I hope that we can still share what we have today with the people around us. I hope you enjoyed making your tractor. Bye for now.